Hi, I'm going to be unboxing St. Vincent on Blu-ray and digital. I got this from Amazon. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Special features are deleted scenes, Bill Murray's St. Vincent, the patron saint of comedy. Sorry if I said that wrong. It's rated PG-13 for mature thematic material, including sexual content, alcohol, and tobacco use, and for language. And it's region A. Let's open this up now. Let me get the security sticker at the top. There we go. Here's the digital copy code right there. Nothing on the back. Comes in a good case, which is nice. And there's the disc right there. And that'll do it for my unboxing for St. Vincent on Blu-ray and digital. Thank you for watching. Bye.